Hello dear students, how are you? I am Vivek Sharma, your mathematics teacher. In this video lecture, we will start the exercise 3.4 which is based on elimination method for solving a pair of linear equations in two variables. So in last video lecture, we had studied about the method of elimination and how to apply this method in solving a pair of linear equations in two variables. In this video lecture, we are starting exercise 3.4 which is totally based on this method, which is the method of elimination. Before going to start, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So here we are starting our exercise 3.4 of NCERT book. The question number first is the solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method. So here we have a system of linear equations is x plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. We consider x plus y equals to 5 as equation number first and 2x minus 3y equals to 4 as equation number second. Now here we have to apply the elimination method. For applying this method, we have to eliminate one of the two variables, and for eliminating that variable, we have to equate the coefficient of that variable in the two given equations. So here we eliminate variable x. So here we see that the coefficient of variable x in first equation is 1 and the coefficient of variable x is 2 in equation number second. So here coefficient are not equal, so we eliminate the variable x. For this we have to equate the coefficient of variable x in both equations. So for this we make the coefficient of x in two equations equal. For this we multiply the whole equation first by 2. On multiplying by 2 in whole equation x plus y equals to 5, we get 2x plus 2y equals to 10 and we consider it as equation number third. Similarly, we take equation 2x minus 3y equals to 4, which is the equation number second. We multiply the whole equation by 1, and on multiplying by 1 in the whole equation 2x minus 3y equals to 4. On solving we get 2x minus 3y equals to 4, and we consider it as equation number 4. So our transformed linear equation is 2x plus 2y equals to 10, which is the equation number third, and 2x minus 3y equals to 4, which is the equation number 4. Now here we do subtraction. Here we do subtractions on subtracting equation number third and equation number 4. So we arrange these two equations in horizontal form, which is the horizontal method. So during horizontal method the sign will be changed. So here the equation 2x plus 2y equals to 10 and 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Here the sign of 4 is plus, so it becomes negative, and the sign of 3y is negative becomes positive, and the 2x has sign plus becomes negative. On solving we get the equation 5y equals to 6, and on solving finally we get the value of y equals to 6 upon 5. So after getting the value of y equals to 6 upon 5, we apply step number third. In step number third we have to substitute the value which we have found in the any equation. So here we have found the value of y equals to 6 upon 5. So we substituting the value of y equals to 6 upon 5 in equation number first. Our equation number first is x plus y equals to 5. So on putting the value y equals to 6 upon 5 in that equation in place of y, so it becomes x plus 6 upon 5 equals to 5. On taking LCM we get 5 times of x plus 6 upon 5 equals to 5. We do cross multiplication, so we get 5x plus 6 equals to 25. On solving we get 5x equal to 19, and finally on solving we get x equal to 19 upon 5. Hence finally the solution of given pair of linear equations is x equal to 19 upon 5 and y equals to 6 upon 5. So let us do fourth part of question number first of exercise 3.4. Here we have our equations x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equals to minus 1, and we consider it as equation number first, and x minus y upon 3 equals to 3, and we consider it as equation number second. Now first of all we transform these equations into their standard forms. Okay, so we take equation number first and transform in standard form, which is the ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So we do by taking LCM. First of all we take the LCM, we get the LCM 6. On solving we get 3x plus 4 times of y upon 6 equals to minus 1. On solving and cross multiplication, we get 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. Now this is the linear equation in two variables, which is the standard form on changing equation number first. So we consider it as a equation number third. Now similarly we take equation number second, which is the x minus y upon 3 equals to 3. So we transform also it in the standard form, which is the ax plus by plus c equals to 0. On solving and taking LCM, we get 3x minus y equals to 9. So we have transformed equation number second into the equation 3x minus y equals to 9, which is the linear equation, which is the standard form. Okay, so we consider it as equation number fourth. So after transforming the given equations into the linear equations in two variables, here we have a system of linear equations is 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. We consider it as equation number third, and 3x minus y equals to 9, and we consider it as equation number 4. Now here we have to apply the method of elimination. For applying this method, we have to eliminate one of the two variables, and for eliminating that variable, we have to equate the coefficients of that variable, either x or y, in both equations. So here we eliminate variable x. So here we check that the variable x has equal coefficients in both the equation number third and equation number fourth. The variable x has coefficient 3 in equation number third, and the variable x has coefficient 3 in the equation number fourth. So here we need not to multiply by any constant in equation number third and equation number fourth. So here we do subtraction directly. So here to eliminate x, we do subtraction equation number third and equation number fourth. We arrange these equations in horizontal form, 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6 and 3x minus y equals to 9. The sign will be changed. The 9 which is positive becomes negative sign, minus y which is negative becomes positive, and 3x which is positive becomes negative. So 3x cancel out. 4y plus y equals to 5y, and minus 6 on minus 9 becomes minus 15. So 5y equals to minus 15. On solving we get y equals to minus 3. Now we do apply the step number 3. Here we put the value of y equals to minus 3 in equation number 4. So in equation number 4, we get 3x minus y equals to 9. It becomes 3x minus bracket minus 3 bracket close equal to 9. On solving we get 3x plus 3 equals to 9. On solving we get 3x equal to 9 minus 3. On solving we get 3x equal to 6, and on solving finally we get the value x equal to 2. I hope you have understood the method of elimination, how we apply the method of elimination in solving a pair of linear equations in two variables. Please do some extra question at your home. I have uploaded a PDF of some questions in the description box.